Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can activate your Scotia's online banking account. Now, activating your Scotia's online banking account typically means registering or signing up for an online banking account. So then to begin with, first thing first, make sure that you already have a pre-existing offline banking account. Only then you'll be able to register. So then to begin with, you'll need to open up a web browser, or you can also use the application on your mobile device. Either way, the procedure will remain the same. On the web address bar, type in www.scotiabank.com. This is going to direct you to the official web page of Scotiabank. Now here you can see that the interface is going to look something like this. If you already have an online banking account, click on the sign in button and provide in your credential, login into your account. Apart from that, if you don't have an account, click on activate now, which is underneath the sign in button. As soon as you do that, you'll be taken to this kind of field. So over here, make sure to go through all of these information before you begin with the activation procedure. So to activate your account, you need to go ahead and tap on activate now, which is right in between. So here you go. In order to activate your account, you'll be asked to select the account type. First of all, select it. After that, you'll be asked to provide the account number, first name, last name, date of birth. As already mentioned, if you don't have a pre-existing bank account, you'll not be able to register for online. So quickly enter in all of these information, click on the arrow icon, next page, you'll be asked to provide your contact details. Accordingly, you'll have to mention the contact details. After that, you'll also be asked to create a login field. So basically, a login field means creating an user ID or a password. As soon as you've done that as well, lastly you'll have to go through the review page, which means that you have to go through all of the information that you've provided. If it seems valid enough, click on the submit button and you'll be receiving a statement stating that within a couple of hours later, we'll be receiving an activation statement. So till then, you have to wait patiently, and that is basically how you can activate your Scotia's online banking account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.